plus de valeur au monde. Ok. S'ils continuent, mais moi je pense qu'ils vont arrêter avant. Oui. Voilà. De toute façon, s'ils continuent. Et évidemment, on créera quand même la crypto, mais moi je serais toujours plus pour les monnaies actuelles que la crypto. D'accord. Mais on créera quand même la crypto. Et je vous dis ça, c'est pas un plan. C'est pas un plan pour me dire je vais partir sur la crypto. Non, je serai toujours plus pour les monnaies actuelles. Mais si ça va pas au niveau des monnaies actuelles, on fera la crypto. Voilà. Voilà. Alors j'ai plein d'idées sur la crypto. Voilà. L'idéal quand même, ce serait que ça se soit implémenté au niveau des gouvernements actuels. Et là, vous allez me dire, Gauthier, t'avais dit qu'on développait ça de manière organique. Attendez, on peut développer ça en crypto sur des petits échanges et ensuite implémenter ça au niveau du gouvernement. Vous voyez. Et mais du coup, c'est ce que je vous dis. Moi, je suis plus pour quand même que la valeur. Donc, comment je crée la valeur dans ma crypto? Eh bien, cette valeur soit créée au niveau de l'euro, du dollar, du pound, du yen. Vous voyez, des monnaies quand même les plus bah, les monnaies dans le monde entier. Vous voyez. Et donc non, je veux pas du tout comme Trump qui lance une monnaie et qui est une sorte de scam pour s'enrichir. Non, on va vraiment eh bien mettre de la valeur dans cette monnaie et cette monnaie aura énormément de valeur. Et en gros, vous voyez, l'augmentation de la valeur de la monnaie, elle sera pas artificielle. Elle sera basée sur de la vraie valeur. D'accord? Sur de la vraie valeur. Que l'on soit bien clair. Et là, vous allez me dire, ouais, tu vas calculer. Euh, donc, vous allez voir. Mais de toute façon, il n'y aura pas de création de monnaie, en gros, sans valeur. D'accord? Création de monnaie sans valeur, non. Et vous voyez, le truc, c'est qu'aujourd'hui, en gros, allez, la création de monnaie, c'était un peu au doigt mouillé. Vous voyez, tous les gens avaient le même type de prêt. Vous voyez, donc la création de monnaie, enfin, vous voyez le truc, c'était n'importe quoi. N'importe quoi. Donc, en gros, si on vous prête de l'argent, eh bien, la création de monnaie, elle se fera en fonction de la valeur que vous apportez. Évidemment, c'est beaucoup plus logique. Là, voilà. Mais bon. En vrai, c'est forcément. Alors, normalement, et vous voyez, si là vous êtes contre, bah, honnêtement, je sais pas. Je ne sais plus quoi dire. Vous voyez, c'est que vous êtes totalement con. Voilà. Et je mâche pas mes mots. Je mâche pas mes mots parce que. Voilà. Vous voulez que. Vous voulez détruire la société en vous donnant de la valeur sans réelle valeur? Ouais, ça n'a aucun sens. Donc voilà. Euh, so I was talking. So you see, I was in the flow. So when I'm in the flow like that, I like to talk in one language. But honestly, I can develop an hybrid flow. I think sometimes I have an hybrid flow. It's just that I had a French flow, and I was like, let's go with this French flow. So I don't wanna say like I've done three clips, I think. Um, yes, so I've done 3 clips, 20 minutes. 30 minutes. So, like, I don't wanna say all of this in English, you see? But, so, how. Maybe I'm going to resume it in 2 minutes. Okay, so basically, so no, I am not, like, this is not prepared for you to learn French. Honestly, I do not want necessarily that. I think that it's good to learn another language, obviously, but like, obviously, I did not think in advance, okay, I'm going to talk in French and then say you have to learn French no, I did not think that in advance. Okay, just to be clear. The thing is that I don't want to repeat like the same thing twice. Sometimes I have a hybrid flow and sometimes I'm going to do it. But honestly, if I do that each time, I'm going to, so like, this is going to be to triple, because it's more than double, triple the time it takes to say anything, and honestly, this is a bit annoying. So, but so in a few words, basically, like, sometimes they used to, and I think they still do. Sometimes what they do is that they make someone work on something, they bury that person, or they kill that person, they bury that person, and then they make another person discover, like, be the face of the discovery. So this we have to kill. Okay, we have to kill that. Then so kill this concept. So the people that develop and innovate are the face of the things that they develop and they innovate. Okay. What we can do also about so I said about Alzheimer. So I think, so I'm not sure, but I think with Alzheimer is that people are deciding to give someone Alzheimer, and basically what they do is, like, they remove sometimes their memory, things like that. The guy says, or the girl, the guy or the girl, the man or the woman says, wow, I have a problem, so I'm going to the doctor. The doctor basically fuck him up with meds and is killing his brain. Okay, and then they die because of that. Okay, and what's next? I said, so consequences, yes. So if people are doing bad things like that, you see, like giving people diseases and like that, obviously they should have consequences. But, like, obviously what I want to do is that everyone knows, like, what you did. Okay, and so obviously everyone will know also exactly why you did that. Okay, and so everyone will be able to choose if they want to work with you or not. And also obviously there will be consequences on freedom, but so, like I want to implement that. Okay, but so you can do different things, like if you want to do different things, obviously. But so what could be done also is that, like, freedom could be raised again, increased could be increased again, like, after not a too long period, if the person behaving well and things like that. Because, like, putting 100 years in prison, it's like, it's so dumb, you see. And then we could, so it would be based on open source algorithm, so the consequences of the bad. And also, really, 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 really important, they have a plan on money. Maybe what they could do, you see, is that they want to give money to only the bad people. So obviously this is the Christians, and this is fucking dumb. Okay, it's to be able to control people. Okay, and this is to be able to control people and dominate others. Okay, that they do this. But basically the thing is that what they want, so what some people want to do is that they want to give money to only the bad people, so, like, they can absolutely kill the power of money, and then like, they can control people in a better way. So no, this is not the solution, not the thing to do. Basically, what I'm going to do if they are trying to do this is that obviously I'm going to try to push like, real value in money, real strong value to have a true a true money that can be exchanged for anything, and that is very very valuable. So I'm going to try to do the inverse. And also, if this doesn't work at the government level, and obviously I'm going to do that at the crypto level first for the government, and if the government doesn't work, basically we're going to push it as a crypto. And I want like the crypto that I'm pushing to be the most valuable crypto that the world has ever known. You see? So like the crypto that captures the actual value of everything behind it. You see? And I think so constructing the whole systems, you see, like all the interactions, capturing all the value of everything. Obviously using programmable money is better. Okay, so here you go. I hope that so going to end my plan. Mon plan. And I think we can do that, and honestly, let's go for that. I think this can be absolutely amazing. Okay.